Charles from Spring has a question about a leaky window.
Yeah, now, these are fixed windows, right? They're not opening and closing windows. Charles writes, in the lower corner of 2 of them, there's some water leaking when there's moisture on the outside. On the outside of it, there's a metal trim that's screwed down, and I'm guessing, he says, there's some kind of seal or gasket behind it, he's assuming. So Charles wants to know how or who can fix something like this.
Well, it's a water breach in your house, and in fact, I had this question the other day at the college I work at down in Brownsville about starting this roofing training program, and they wanted to call it, some kind of roofing, and I said, no, today it's industrial waterproofing and roofing, or it's waterproofing and roofing for most of these companies that are real professionals. And so you call a roofer, Ideal Roofing you could call, let them troubleshoot it. Can they fix it? It might be easy enough just to caulk it. If it's a matter of the windows being installed wrong and whatnot, then you're going to have to go another route and have those windows removed, maybe buy new windows, have them installed properly, Gulf Coast windows, something like that. Because sometimes it's a lost cause with the way some of these windows were put in. It might just be a flashing problem, though, and that's when a roofer can reflash the windows, make sure they're watertight, and then go ahead. Because it might not be at the bottom. It might be at the top, and it's running down the sides, and it's the flashing behind the brick, the wood, or the stucco, however the house is built. So start with a roofer like Ideal Roofing and move from there.
It is one of the things I've learned sitting next to you all these years, that water leaks seldom start where you see them.
Yeah, they don't go right through the wall right there.
It's not a laser.
Going through the wall, phone, electrical line, going down here, and all of a sudden it shows its dirty little face over, 20 feet away. So don't think it's right where you see the water.
Yeah, okay. But you know what? Right where you see the answer is where you can get one too, right here. This guy, Tom Tynan, he's ready to help you out. All you got to do is visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom button. Fill that little form out, send it in, and our magical elves will select it, and we'll put it in a video just like this one.